Here's how to create sounds on Snapchat. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch the full video and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to open your Snapchat app. After signing into your account, now you have to simply create a video first by tapping on this camera icon. You have to record the video according to your desired length. Then just tap on this music icon from the right menu. After that, here you will be able to view a list of songs that you can add as a background for your video. Tap on this create sound option to create a sound for your video. Then tap on the record sound option. After that, simply long press on this icon to record a sound for your video. You can also record any music while playing it in background. Then you have to name your sound. You can also make your sound public by enabling this option. Then tap on the save sound option. Here, as you can see, we have successfully created a sound on Snapchat. So this is all for now. If you like this video, then don't forget to like it and to subscribe our channel.